This is a folding push knife, and
It's a liner lock.
It's a liner lock. It fires out really well, and it also
Show the wave feature.
Yeah, it waves.
Ooh, man! It's time to just punch it.
Okay.
All right. So nothing. Absolutely.
Okay. I got one more knife. This is a Bestech. I forget the model.
Bestech.
Bestech.
Yeah.
And this is a folding push knife, and
It's a liner lock.
It's a liner lock. It fires out really well, and it also
Show the wave feature.
Yeah, it waves.
Do it one more time. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's small, but I have a feeling it's going to be really nasty. I'm going to go right here.
Ooh, man, that looks way. I think that's like an inch, 0.75. It's not even a 2-inch blade.
Yeah, it will envelop the knife.
That is wicked.
Little tiny supple. So if you have blade restrictions,
so don't slash it this time. Just punch it.
Okay.
All right. So nothing. The lock didn't feel bad or anything like that.
No, not at all. It wasn't uncomfortable. I'm sure if I punched the tree or a bone, it might jar me a little bit, but it felt comfortable.
Okay, that is a kick butt slash right there, and it's a little hawkbill, but it's not too extreme. And man, I think I'm gonna have to get one of those.
Yeah, I mean, if you have blade restrictions, that's a pretty cool tool. And you can also, like, you can open up boxes, grab things. You know, I can grab this string, I can grab this buoy. So that's what I like about karambits and this push style knife, is that you can actually do utility tasks, and then you can still pick up the box and move it. So it's practical and tactical. So yeah, that was amazing. And I think,
and your hand is huge too, and it seems to fit.
Yeah,
that's cool.
it doesn't crowd me too much.